Hey friends, today we're talking about the Chevy Camaro. If you're lucky enough to own one of these beautiful iconic cars, you may find that at some point in time it starts to run rough. It may hesitate on acceleration or even stall. If you find that's the case, the first thing you're going to want to do is clean your throttle body. So the throttle body is easy to access. It's connected to the air cleaner box on your car by a flexible air duct. Just remove that air duct and then start the engine. And then you can spray some cleaner into that throttle body to get it all cleaned up. What you want to do is have the engine suck that cleaner in while you're spraying it and clean all the deposits off of that butterfly valve to promote better airflow into the engine. You can use some of this throttle body and air intake cleaner. You can get some of this on Amazon. I put a link down in the description of this video if you're interested. This stuff works good, and a little bit goes a long way. So once you're done doing that, the next thing you're going to want to do is clean your mass airflow sensor. Now this little device is easy to service. All you got to remove is 2 screws that hold it into the air cleaner box. Pull it out of the air cleaner box, and while it's in your hand, then you can spray it off with some cleaner. Now they make special mass airflow sensor cleaner for these devices. Gumout makes an excellent product, also available on Amazon. What you want to do is while you're holding this mass airflow sensor, just spray it off, get it nice and clean, focusing your attention on this little sensing element. It looks like a tiny little resistor depicted by that green arrow. When that sensing element gets dirty, this becomes less sensitive and doesn't detect the airflow like it should, like it did when it was new, and it causes the computer to make mistakes about fuel delivery. So once you're done doing that, then the last step is to clean your fuel injectors. And that's really the easiest step, because all you got to do is get some of this fuel injector cleaner and dump it into your gas tank. This product called Techron by Chevron is excellent. And when it's in the gas tank and you're driving your car, it's automatically cleaning your fuel injectors. So that's 3 things that you can do to make your Camaro run better. In the process of doing that, you may find that the check engine light comes on because you triggered some trouble codes. Not to worry, you can clear those codes out easily with one of these little pocket scanners. This one's made by Autel. You can get it for less than $40 on Amazon. What you want to do is just keep that in your glove box, so at some point in the time in the future, if your check engine light comes on, you can just pull it out, plug it in, and see what your codes are. Save yourself a trip to the shop. So let's get your Camaro running good again. These are some smooth running, fast driving, good looking cars. And I'm sure if you have one, you love it. So these are 3 things you can do in your own driveway that are easy to accomplish and inexpensive to perform. Go ahead and do these 3 things every 30,000 miles. That would be my recommendation to keep your car running good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Hope you have a great night, and we'll talk to you soon.